Hi friends! So since this is our last week of school, and I know so many of you love dinosaurs, I thought maybe we could draw a dinosaur together. So you will need a piece of paper and a pencil, and if you want, you can ask for some markers. Make sure you ask first, or some crayons. So go get your materials, push pause, and come on back. All right, let's draw our dinosaur. So I found this directed drawing on Pinterest. So if you like it and you want to maybe try some more, maybe you could ask mom or dad to do a search for directed drawings on Pinterest. So we're going to do our dinosaur. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our pencil. Okay, we're going to grab our pencil and we're going to do his head first, and it's going to be a rectangle shape. So we want to make kind of a rectangle shape for his head. Go over it one more time just so that we can see it. Okay, and I drew it nice and big. I don't want to have just a little teeny tiny rectangle on my paper. I want to have it nice and big. And then we're going to go to about the middle of his head, and we're going to make a line that curves down and then back up for his body and tail. Oh, you know what? I needed to make that a little bit deeper. So I am going to erase this, and we will make that a little bit deeper so that his body is nice and big. Sometimes we have to erase, and that's why we're using our pencil. So I'm going to go down a little bit farther and back up. Okay, and then we are going to go from the side of his head and connect up here for his tail. So we have his head and his body and into his tail. Now on his head we're going to put some upside down triangles for his eyes. So upside down triangles for his eyes, and then we're going to fill them in so they look a little scary. So he has some scary looking eyes. Now he also needs a mouth. So we're going to draw a straight line for his mouth and his jaggedy teeth. His jaggedy teeth. Now he also has some spikes on his tail, and you can make those however big or small you would like, because they might not all be the same size. So now he has his jaggedy tail, and we're going to make his arms. So like T-Rex has these little teeny tiny arms, so we're going to make his little teeny tiny arms. And now what does he need? Legs and feet, right? Legs and feet. So we're going to come down to about the middle of the bottom part of our U here and take a curved line out for his leg. And his toes are going to be pointed. Okay, and then his foot. And we're going to come back up to finish his leg. Now, do dinosaurs, a T-Rex, does he just have one leg? No, he has two legs. So we have to do his other leg over here. So we're going to take right from this, where the U kind of starts to come around, and we're going to take it out. And his toes are pointed. And bring his leg back up. Now this line right here, we can erase so that his leg and his body are connected and they don't look disconnected. So now we have our dinosaur sketch. If you asked permission for your markers, you can take your marker and you can go over it now. Let's try this one. You can go over it so that the lines stand out. So So there's his head. And his eyes. Ooh, doesn't he look like he's causing trouble? And his mouth and his jaggedy teeth. And his tail and body. And his jaggedy tail with all of his spikes. T-Rex arms. And his legs and feet. And once you have it all outlined, then you could color it in with your crayons or maybe some other markers if you have it. So now we have our dinosaur. Wasn't that fun? So if you are interested in other directed drawings, you can look those up on Pinterest too. Thank you for joining me. This was fun. Have a good day. Bye.